Hello viewers, today this is our lesson number 4. In this lesson we will learn to add one key from left side in the upper row and one key from the right side in the upper row. From the left side we will add letter T, from the right side we will add letter Y. See how I do it. A, Q, S, W, D, E, F, R. Now I will lift my finger from the letter F, will type out letter T, and you can see my finger is back on letter F. Now from the right side, semicolon P, L, O, K, I, J, U. Now I am going to lift my finger from letter J, will type out letter Y, and my finger will be back on letter J. See how I do it again. A, Q, S, W, D, E, F, R, T, space, semicolon P, L, O, K, I, J, U, Y, and my finger is back on letter J. So this is how it will be done. I hope this lesson will be well understood by you. See you in next lesson. Thank you.